Hello there, welcome to another video about RA Solutions. In this video what I'm going to do is show you how to use a really cool app allowing you to prioritize your tasks in Microsoft 365. It's part of the Microsoft 365 package actually. It's called Microsoft To Do and it's basically a task management app allowing you to prioritize those really important, really urgent tasks to those which aren't as important or urgent. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So what I've got opened up here is my web browser. I've also opened up Microsoft 365's main page. So I've gone onto Microsoft Edge. I've done a search for office.com, logged in using my credentials, and this is the page it's come up with here. Now, to access or open Microsoft To Do, which is a great task management app, and some of the things it allows you to do, it allows you to make lists of tasks, add those due dates to your tasks and set those reminders for those important items, but it also allows you to break down those big tasks into smaller steps as well, allowing you to really manage your tasks and prioritize your tasks. And you can also within Microsoft To Do share those lists with others as part of your team, or maybe share your shopping list with your partner or your other half as well. You can also sync your tasks across your different devices. So for example, you can sync from your phone to your computer to your tablet. So you've got that one Microsoft 365 login, and you can utilize Microsoft To Do and the other apps with the 365 bundle across the different devices. But you can also, with the To Do app, you can mark your tasks as complete when you finish them, and you can organize your tasks into different categories or projects, and you can set your tasks on repeat on a schedule. So basically what you can do with Microsoft To Do, it helps you to keep track of things you need to do and to help you stay organized. So let's find this Microsoft To Do app. So on this main screen here, at the top left hand corner, you can see this waffle here. There's a few ways, or you can go to apps here. So I'm going to click on the waffle because that's a quicker way, and you can see the To Do app there already showing, or you can do a search here at the top for that To Do app there. I'm going to click on the To Do app here, or the icon, and it's going to take me to the credential page. I'm going to log in using my Office 365 login. Now this is the interface for Microsoft To Do. On the left side you can see all the navigation pane, and in the middle part here it's the area where you're going to add, amend, adjust your to-do list or access your to-do list. So on the left side you've got the first option here, my day. So Sunday, July the 21st, what are your tasks? You can start listing your tasks here. You've got your important tasks there, those you've identified as those really urgent, really important tasks you want to do. You can start identifying them here and start marking them off once you've done those tasks. Here, the planned one, you can set those tasks you want to plan on specific days. So those tasks you want to do today, those ones you want to do or action tomorrow, those that you want to action on specific days, or those that are not so urgent or a priority, which you want to do at a later date. You can identify them or prioritize them there as well. So it's really good to help you prioritize your workload. Here, this next section assigned to me are those tasks which have been shared to you from your colleague or your partner, which you need to do. Maybe my partner has sent me or shared with me the shopping list, and that's something I need to do. It will go into this section here, assigned to me, and this one's a cool one. So this Microsoft 365 is linked to your Outlook email anyway with that one login credential, and those emails you flagged with this flag icon here, they will automatically show in this section here. I haven't got any flagged emails, so there's nothing for me to action, or there's nothing to show here. And these ones are your general tasks which you want to action, which you can list in here, so it shows them all in here. But what I'm going to do at the bottom here, I'm going to create a new list, and the new list here is going to be a shopping list, because I have to do some shopping and I need to prioritize that. So I'm going to type in the word shopping, and I'm going to share this with my partner as well, so they know what the shopping list is, just in case I can't do my shopping. So I type in the word shopping list, or the word shopping list, click on enter, and what it will do now, this main part will change with that heading there, which is a shopping list. So this is going to be my electronic shopping list. So you can change the wording here by just clicking on the word and just changing the heading, or simply clicking on the three dots here, the options menu. You can rename that shopping list, you can change the theme of it if you want to categorize it, just to help you identify and prioritize. Basically, you can do that. You can print the list, or you can delete the list once you've done with it. It's entirely up to you how you use it. And there's also different views you can have. You can have a grid view, a list view here, so that's entirely up to you which one you want to use. Play around with it, get familiarized with to do. Scroll across to the right, you can sort in order of importance, due date, added alphabetically, creation date. You can group them, and you can share it with your colleagues, this list, or in my case with my partner as well. So if I click on share, I can create an invitation link, and then I can invite them via email, or just copy and paste that link and send them a message to say, look, this is the link to the shopping list there. So that's a really good way to share your list. But let's generate the list. So the first one, add a task. The first one, I need to get peanut butter. This is not actually my shopping list. This is something I'm making up for this video. So this is a peanut butter. You can see three options appear here at the bottom. You can have this as a repeat. You can remind me to get this, so you can click on this bell notification and say, set me a reminder to get that by this day or time, by tomorrow, by next week, or you can pick a date and time. So that's a really good thing to have, to set you those reminders for that specific item in that list. But you can also add a due date when you need that bought by, so you can change those settings there. But let's add that item. Clicking on this button here, add. So it's added peanut butter to my list. Next one is bread. I've actually run out of bread. Click on add there. Eggs. Click on enter or add. Milk. So these are just reminders for me. Crisps, very healthy. Bananas, apples, oranges. So that's my simple list there. Now what you can also do here, obviously I've not set any due date, but I can do that now, selecting the date when I need to get those items by. So that's entirely up to you, or you can just highlight or click on the star of those items you feel are the most important ones on this list. So you can do that as well here. There you go. So milk and bananas are not that important. Actually, milk is. Crisps aren't that important. Peanut butter is not that important either. So this is my list here. You can even change what you've written, or click on it. Click on milk here. You can change. You can add the quantity there, and on the right side you can see now what you can do is those specific things. You can obviously set those reminders, add that due date, repeat, assign to. Again, if I click on assign to, it will share. It's currently assigned to me, but if you've shared this list with somebody, their name will show here, and you can assign that specific item in that list to that person as well. You can add a note here. You can add a file to show him what the picture or the cover, or what type of bottle, whether it's pasteurized, whether it's full cream, whether it's semi-skimmed, what type of milk it is that you want them to get, and the category. So you want to maybe to help you categorize that item, you can add a category there as well. So that's really straightforward and simple. The good thing is you can share this with the person, copy the link, and that'll get shared with your partner or whoever you want to share it with, just to remind them to get that item, and so they can do the shopping in your absence if you can't do it. But the other good thing is, in this shopping list, once you've opened this list up here, you can mark it off once you bought that item. So this one completed, you can see the notification. You can see now here milk's been bought. I don't have to worry about that for that week, or for those couple of weeks. Apples have been bought, you can mark them off. Bananas, and you can see all of a sudden that shopping list is being reduced because you've completed that task. You bought that item in this case. So once they've all been bought, hopefully your shopping list is empty. You've done this for this day. So you can create new lists here. You can also go back to your important ones. You obviously check out. The most important thing here with the to-do list is how you are going to use it to ensure your time is utilized as efficient and as effective as you can. But that's just a quick and easy video to show you how to use a Microsoft's to-do app and how to set up and utilize shopping lists in this occasion, but you can use it for work and other things as well. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.